Welcome to the world of Emeralde Private Metal Credit Card, a premium credit card designed to cater to your luxury lifestyle and high spending habits. This card offers a plethora of benefits, ranging from travel rewards to dining privileges. It's crafted for those who seek exclusive experiences and value premium services. Emerald Private Metal Credit Card comes packed with features. It offers unlimited airport lounge access worldwide and golf privileges at premier courses. It also provides comprehensive insurance coverage, including travel and medical insurance. Plus, cardholders enjoy exclusive dining and shopping discounts at selected outlets. Not to forget, the reward points that can be redeemed for various gifts and vouchers. The Emerald Private Metal Credit Card comes with an annual fee of $500. However, this fee is waived off if the annual spend crosses a certain threshold. In addition, there's a nominal foreign transaction fee and cash advance fee. The interest rate charged on outstanding balances is competitive, making it an affordable choice for those who carry a balance month to month. This card is ideal for high net worth individuals who frequently travel and enjoy luxury experiences. It's perfect for those who spend significantly on dining, shopping, and entertainment. If you often play golf or visit airport lounges, the benefits of this card will significantly outweigh the annual fee. The reward point system also makes it beneficial for those who enjoy redeeming points for gifts or vouchers. The Emeralde Private Metal Credit Card offers several advantages. The unlimited global airport lounge access and golf privileges set it apart from other cards. The comprehensive insurance coverage adds a layer of security during your travels. The reward point system is also generous, allowing you to earn points on every dollar spent. The potential to have the annual fee waived is another significant advantage. Despite its many benefits, the Emeralde Private Metal Credit Card has a few drawbacks. The high annual fee can be a deterrent for some, even with the potential waiving. The card may also not be suitable for those who don't travel frequently or enjoy luxury experiences. Additionally, the reward points expire if not redeemed within a certain period, which could be a disadvantage for infrequent users. To summarize, the Emeralde Private Metal Credit Card is a premium credit card that offers numerous benefits like unlimited airport lounge access, golf privileges, and a generous reward point system. However, it comes with a high annual fee and may not be suitable for everyone. It's ideal for high spenders who frequently travel and enjoy luxury experiences. In conclusion, the Emerald Private Metal Credit Card is a luxurious choice for high net worth individuals. It's packed with features and benefits that justify its high annual fee. Although it might not be suitable for everyone, it offers excellent value for those who can make the most of its features. It's a card that truly caters to a luxurious lifestyle. Thank you for watching our analysis of the Emeralde Private Metal Credit Card. We hope you found this information useful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Until next time, happy spending!